that the market thinks you deserve. Siddarth Bhamre is joining us now for some F&O ideas. Siddarth, hi, good morning. What's your view?
Good morning, Anuj. So, Anuj, there's a lot of confusing signals here. We, always discuss about different data points, but the main factor to analyze in this market for everyone is price. And price is stubbornly, sticking around the 17,000 odd levels, setting that support again and again. That doesn't give a good feeling. Now, if you compare this with what data you are seeing, data is quite positive. If you look at charts, Nifty and Bank Nifty charts are not something which would say that, okay, the big fall is coming. Even if you look at the other part of the statistics, FI's data when market was correcting from 18,500 to sub 17,000, the index which is position, their net long position had gone down below 30%. Now it is at 60%. Net long positions of FIs in index, which is long 60%, 40% is short. This kind of positioning is when markets are in a decent, strong up move, which is not the case. So it is quite possible that we are staring at a gap up or gap down, in some time. I'm not talking about today, but there can be a good gap up or gap down opening in this market, and FIs are positioning themselves for a gap up. Participants are, very fearful, and that's the reason, despite intraday volatility reducing, market gyrating around 17,000, we are still seeing Nifty implied volatility at 23. We are seeing geopolitical news all over the place, more on the de-escalation side, but still implied volatility as 23, and that you also know it's quite high. And FIs are using this high implied volatility to sell options, and they have sold around 5,000 crores of index options in last session. So to combine all data point and make it simple for retail to understand, this market is not positioned for a big downside as of now. The orientation of stronger hands is positive, and they might, sooner or later go right. So you should also follow them and position yourself positively. What I'm trying to say is there are a lot of stock-specific activities which are happening which should lead to, decent positive outcome. So keep your orientation positive. Index probably, you can stay like, but there are a lot of stocks. Like theme is like insurance is a theme now. We all know that the cheapest stock in that space is ICICI Pru Life. And last 4 sessions, we have seen huge accumulation at lower levels. Cash volumes are very high. We have seen formation of longs at lower levels. Watch out for this name. This name can, do good from current levels. Mother of all stock, HDFC Bank is looking very positive. We have seen that shorts have completely moved out. Technically also, it is showing a triangular pattern, which indicates a decent upside. So my orientation, Anuj, is positive in this market, just waiting for market to move bit higher from the 17,000 to form aggressive longs in index.
Okay, that's, I think, the moot point, right? That there's no major fall that's coming in the market. At worst, it would be a correction. By the way, the pre-opening rate